Hello world, this is CS50. My name is Richard Pearson, I'm from the United Kingdom and this is my final project video for Harvard CS50. Welcome to Neon Pong. This is my own take on the classic 1970s arcade game, but with a few additional features. I've always wanted to build my own game, and given this is my first project, I felt it right to try and recreate this arcade classic. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Neon Pong is a browser-based two-player arcade game built from scratch with similar gaming elements to Pong, but with a few upgrades. One of these elements is music, which you can enable and disable from the start screen. Each player provides a name, which when added reveals the start button. Select this to begin the game. Players control paddles which return the ball back and forth across the screen. Fail to return the ball and your opponent scores a point. Scores are displayed at the top of the screen, and the player who reaches a score of 3 wins the match. At the end of the game, you can either rematch or return to the title screen and add new players. The winner's details, such as their name and their score, are recorded in a SQL database and presented on the main screen. Now, let's look at the code. Neon Pong was made using HTML, CSS and a lot of scalable vector graphics, or SVGs. These are manipulated by JavaScript within the DOM. I also have a separate JavaScript file to control the behavior of the stars. Underpinning all of this is a Python project using Flask. I've also got some Ajax in there to send the winner's details in JSON format back to Flask. These are then written to the database using Python. And that's it. If you'd like a copy of the source code, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and this was CS50.